Okay, we're working on this room today. Got some spots, some tropics, white carpet. Needs a good cleaning. And that looks like it's been wet. Spot here we'll have to work on. And that's that. We're gonna vacuum it. Got some small rugs. 1, 2, 3. Got this room. Not too bad. This room. That's sectional. Here. Okay. Looks like what happened the last. So all I did is pre-sprayed it, and some of these look like stains from the dog, whatever. Came right out just with a little pre-spray. So I'm using Green Dragon, recommended by Washington Pro Cleaners, because it leaves no sticky residue. You can't rinse it out real well. So we're going to work on this. This carpet's really hard to push the wand on, so I'm going to use some Ironman pads on a bonnet on the floor machine and go over it and dry it. I also have that fan. I tried a little smaller wand because it's easier for me to push on this kind of carpet versus that 16-inch Evolution with the glide. It's still hard to push, so we'll see how this one is. Okay, we'll just try to show this area here. So nice and clean. Got the fan on it, drying it up. Got rid of those water stains. Whatever stains were over here, over there. It's all good. Get these 3 rugs here. Bedroom here. This bedroom. Working on this sectional. There's a little bit of blood over here for some ammonia. I just got to rinse this out. There we go. So we're cleaning some furniture here. There was a little bit of blood. It's really not too soiled, but you can see here some spots here. It's a nice fabric. It comes out really clean. It really doesn't stain either. You can get the stains out of this easy. Last time I cleaned it, they thought it was chocolate over here, but it was actually blood. And got that all out. But this is what we're working on.